Namaskaram, Srimatre Namaha. Welcome to Shakambari Sahasranamam. Learning to chant Shakambari Sahasranamam. So far we have completed 59 slokas. Now we will see the rest set of the slokas. Narayani, Narayani, Jagadhatri, Dha is a Mahaprana. Jagadhatri, Jagatpatri, Jaganmayi, Allam Baka, Kama Duddha, again Mahaprana, Kama Duddha, Nalpada. So after Dha, you can see there is an Avagraha. So it's one word, we should not pause here. Kama Duddha Nalpada, Kalpavallika, Kalpavallika. Narayani Jagadhatri Jagatpatri Jaganmayi Allambaka Kamaduddha Nalpada Kalpavallika Malli Matallika Malli Matallika Gunja Gunja Lankritish Lankritish. So after T you can see there is a Visarga followed by Sha which takes the Ish sound. So you're saying it as Gunja Lankritish Shiva Mohini. Gunja Lankritish Shiva Mohini. Gandharva Gandharva Mahaprana Gandharva Ganarasika Keka Vakira Palini Keka Vakira Palini Malli Matallika Gunjalankrita Shiva Mohini Gandharva Gana Rasika Keka Vakira Palini Malli Matallika Gunjalankrita Shiva Mohini Gandharva Gana Rasika Keka Vakira Palini Sini Vali Sini Vali Kuhu Kuhu. That who is a dirgham there. Okay. Kuhu Raka Numatih. So Raka there is a avagraha. Raka Numatih. So you're taking the ih sound because after ti it's a visarga followed by ka sound. So you're taking half of ka there. Raka Numitih Numatih Kaumudi Kakupa Sini Vali Kuhuraka Numatih Kaumudi Kakupa Brahmand Mand Pashuna Brahmand Manda Pashuna. So Mahaprana is there and Na sound is there. Brahmand Graha Devata. Brahmand Graha Devata. Sini Vali Kuhuraka Numatih Kaumudi Kakupa Brahmanda Mandapasthona Brahmanda Graha Devata Sini Vali Kuhuraka Numatih Kaumudi Kakupa Brahmanda Mandapasthona Brahmanda Graha Devata. So here after Kakupa there is a halanta. So due to which you are extending it a little bit and saying Kakupa. So because the halanta is coming at the end of the pada. Maha Grahasta Mahishi. Ha Mahaprana. Mahagrahastha Mahishi Pashupasha Vimochini Pashupasha Vimochini Virasthanagata Virasthanagata Veera Veera Sana Parigraha, Virasana Parigraha. Mahagrahastha Mahishi, Pashupasha Vimochini, Virasthanagata Vira Virasana Parigraha. Mahagrahastha Mahishi, Pashupasha Vimochini, Virasthanagata Vira Virasana Parigraha. Deepasthanagata, Deepasthanagata, Deepta, Deepotsava Kutuhala, Deepotsava Kutuhala, Tirtha Patra Prada, Tirtha Patra Prada, Tirtha. So all are the tha, Mahaprana tha is coming here. Tirtha Kumbha Puja, Tirtha Kumbha Puja Jana Sambhrama. So if you see here, continuous Mahaprana. Tirtha Kumbha Pujana Sambhrama. Deepasthanagata Deepta Deepotsava Kutuhala Tirtha Patra Prada Tirtha Kumbha Pujana Sambhrama. Deepasthanagata Deepta Deepotsava Kutuhala Tirthapatra Prada Tirtha Kumbha Pujana Sambhrama. Maheshwara Janaprita Pashuloka Parang Mukhi Kha Mahaprana Parang Mukhi Chatush Shashti Mahatantra Chatush Shashti Mahatantra Pratipadya Gamadhvaga Gamadhvaga Dhaza Mahaprana Maheshwara Janaprita Pashuloka Parangmukhi Chatushashti Mahatantra Pratipadya Gaman Madhvaga Maheshwara Janaprita Pashuloka Parangmukhi Chatushashti Mahatantra Pratipadya Gamadhvaga. Now we move on to the next sloka. Shuddha Chara Dha Mahaprana Shuddha Chara Shuddha Puja Shuddha Puja Jana Shrita. So if you see here, Dha, the Mahaprana Dha is coming in the very first line. So all are Shuddha. There are 3 words with Shuddha. Ashtadasha Mahapitha. Again, Tha, Mahaprana, Ashta, Ish, Shanmukasha. Shri Chakra Paradevata. Shuddhachara Shuddha Pujya Shuddha Puja Janashrita Ashtadasha Mahapitha Shri Chakra Paradevata Shuddhachara Shuddha Pujya Shuddha Puja Janashrita Ashtadasha Mahapitha Shri Chakra Paradevata Yogini Pujana Prita. So Pu is a dirgham here, Pri is also a dirgham, and Ni is also a dirgham. Yogini Pujana Prita Yogini Chakra Vandita Ranatkanchi Kshudra Ghanta. Gha is a Mahaprana, and here we have the ಕ್ಷ ಅಕ್ಷರ. ರಣತ್ ಕಾಂಚಿ, ರಣತ್ ಕಾಂಚಿ ಕ್ಷುದ್ರ ಘಂಟ, ಘಂಟ ಧ್ವನಿ. ಸೊ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಾಣ ಘ, ಘಂಟ ಧ್ವನಿ ಧ. ವಿನೋದಿನಿ, ವಿನೋದಿನಿ, ನೀ ಇಸ್ ಅ ದೀರ್ಘ. ಯೋಗಿನಿ ಪೂಜನ ಪ್ರೀತ, ಯೋಗಿನಿ ಚಕ್ರವಂದಿತಾ, ರಣತ್ ಕಾಂಚಿ ಕ್ಷುದ್ರ ಘಂಟಾ, ಘಂಟಾ ಧ್ವನಿ ವಿನೋದಿನಿ. ಯೋಗಿನಿ ಪೂಜನ ಪ್ರೀತ, ಯೋಗಿನಿ ಚಕ್ರವಂದಿತಾ, ರಣತ್ ಕಾಂಚಿ ಕ್ಷುದ್ರ ಘಂಟಾ, ಘಂಟಾ ಧ್ವನಿ ವಿನೋದಿನಿ. ತೌರ್ಯ, ತೌರ್ಯ ತ್ರಿಕ ಕಲಾಭಿಜ್ಞ. So here you have Mahaprana bhi and nya. The nya sound has to come here. Taurya trika kalabhignya manoknya. Again, nya sound has to come here. Manoknya manjubhashini. Manjubhashini. Mahaprana. ಶಿವವಾಮಾಂಕಲಸಿತ, ಶಿವವಾಮಾಂಕಲಸಿತ, ಸುಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಲಲಿತಾ ಲಸ, ಸುಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಲಲಿತಾ ಲಸ. ತೌರ್ಯತ್ರಿಕ ಕಲಾಭಿಜ್ಞ ಮನೋಜ್ಞ ಮಂಜುಭಾಷಿಣಿ, ಶಿವವಾಮಾಂಕಲಸಿತಾ ಸುಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಲಲಿತಾ ಲಸಾ. ತೌರ್ಯತ್ರಿಕ ಕಲಾಭಿಜ್ಞ ಮನೋಜ್ಞ ಮಂಜುಭಾಷಿಣಿ, ಶಿವವಾಮಾಂಕಲಸಿತಾ ಸುಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಲಲಿತಾ ಲಸಾ. Now we move on to the next sloka. So this sloka is little bit a tricky one. So please pay attention to the splits because else it will be little bit difficult for you to learn. Lavanya bhumistallesha. So bhu here is a mahaprana and you're bringing the na sound. So lavanya bhumistallesha nirmita marasundari, nirmita marasundari. Shrir dhir, shrir dhir mahaprana. Bhir mahaprana bhir. Khrir natir jati, natir jati. Rijjaja, rijjaja. So ri is a dirgham. Rijjaja puja paduka, puja paduka. Lavanya bhumistallesha nirmita marasundari. Shrir dhir bhir hrir natir jati rijjaja puja paduka. Lavanya bhumistallesha nirmita marasundari. Shrir dhir bhir hrir natir jati rijjaja puja paduka. Surasravanti, surasravanti yamuna tatha mahaprana, tatha gupta saraswati, tatha gupta saraswati. So in this sloka all the names of the rivers have been taken. Gomati, Gomati, Gandaki, Tapi. Shata, Shata, Drushva, Shata, Drushva, Vipashika, Vipashika. Surasravanti, Yamuna, Tatha, Gupta Saraswati. Gomati, Gandaki, Tapi, Shatadrushcha, Vipashika.